household of faith fears
First the
the
Lord.
Lord. So pangalawa, a household of faith removes idol. Ito, inaalis niya ito yung mga idols sa buhay natin. Sabi niya, throw away the gods of your ancestors. Diba sinabi ni Joshua, alisin ang ibang mga gods. May mga ibang gods pa ba tayo bukod kay Lord? Hindi pwede natin yung puso mo. Sabi nga ng Panginoon, love the Lord with all your heart, with all your mind, with all your soul, with all your strength. God is not one of many priorities. He is the top priority. Dapat si Lord ang priority natin. Amen?
Amen.
Sa pamilya natin. Kaya po love series, ang series po natin, this is not just about removing idols lang. It's not about realigning the heart of the home. Babalik natin ang ating pamilya sa puso ng Panginoon. It's about revival inside your home and family. Sino rin yung gusto ng revival sa family?
Amen.